Hello everyone, this is Line, and you're watching Learn with Line. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a mask in Adobe Animate 2022. So real quick, I'm going to draw a face here. Doodle-doo, doodle-doo. Yeah, there we go. And then I'm going to hit the letter K to get my fill bucket. Add a little orange skin there. And then I'm going to grab this green color and fill in the eyeball over here. And then I'm going to click on the eye that's green, and I'm going to cut it. So, cut. Now I'm going to take that eye color green, I'm going to put it on the layer that's below this one. And then below that, I'm going to add a new layer. So I clicked to create a new layer, and I clicked and dragged it. And then that layer that has the green eye on it, I'm going to name it Mask. You can name it whatever you want. Then right-click on that layer and choose Mask. And now you have a masking layer. You'll see that the icon changed on the layer below it because now it's sort of grouped to that mask. And I think you can pull it away. Yeah, you can. And bring it back. So now anything that shows up underneath this green mask will only be visible where the green mask is laid. So anything outside the green mask will not display. So just to show you that it's working, let's create ourselves an eyeball. Oh, there we go. Maybe I'll use a little eraser to put a little shine in there. There we go. I'm going to select this eyeball and name it eyeball. Where's my F8 key? F8 converts any thing that's selected into a symbol. And so I'm going to convert it into a movie clip eyeball. There we go. And then drag it over to that mask, and boom, now it's inside there. And the one thing that you should note is, because it is under the mask, I'm going to hide the layer above that has the face. And you'll see when I move the eyeball to the side here, and then lock it. You have to lock it in order to reveal the object and not see that green mask or whatever color you make the mask. But there it is. So now, if I were to go to about 2 seconds in and hit the F5 key to create some extra frames, and then F6 to create a keyframe, go back to 1 second, create another keyframe. Then let's move this eyeball to the left, and then we'll highlight all the frames in between, right click on it and choose Create Classic Tween. There we go, lock that layer again. And now, if I hit the Enter key, I can watch the eyeball going back and forth. We can loop that. Select all the frames there so it stays in there. There we go. So now it's moving back and forth. And then we can turn the face on. So now we can have this eye moving around. There you go. That's how you create a mask in Adobe Animate 2022. If you like this video or have any questions or comments, please click like and subscribe and leave your comments and suggestions in the comment section below the video. Thanks for watching. This is Line. You're watching Learn with Line.